In this lesson, I will tell you about the lab topology that we will set up. First of all, let's understand what we are going to do. After that, we start the installation. We have an Istanbul office on the left side of our topology, and our Ankara office on the right. We will not do much work in the Ankara office. When we will configure site-to-site VPN between our Ankara office and our Istanbul office, we will switch to the Ankara firewall side. We will do all our work on the Istanbul firewall side. We have 3 zones in our Istanbul firewall. We have inside zone, DMZ zone and outside zone. We will be using subnet 172.16.0.0 in our inside zone. We will use subnet 10.1.0.0 in DMZ zone. We will connect the Ethernet 1/3 port of our firewall to our DMZ zone. We will connect our Ethernet half port to our inside zone, and we will use the Ethernet 1/1 port in our outside zone. We will use 44.34.0.0 subnet in our WAN port here. We will use the 192.168.20.0 subnet in Ankara. Now, after briefly talking about our topology, let's go to the ESXi side, make our VLAN configurations and start the installation. When you install a physical device, we need to make VLAN configurations on the switch side. That's all for now in this lesson. See you in our next lesson. Bye.